Sabi ng Ebanghelyo natin, may isang tao who've chosen the better path. Siya isang Samaritano na mas pinili munang magpasalamat at magpuri sa Panginoon dahil alam niya hindi lang sa ordinaryong paggagamot na gumaling siya. Alam niya dahil sa awa ng Diyos, siya ay gumaling. That's why he went back to Jesus to praise and thank Him, to choose to return back to God. That's why it's a challenge for us na may hiningi tayo sa Panginoon. May mga panalangin tayo. Kung natanggap natin ang response ng Panginoon, kung natanggap natin kung ano yung ating pinagdarasal, bumabalik ba tayo para magpasalamat? Do we choose to come back and stay with God? To stay in His goodness, to stay in His graces and blessing. This is our gospel's invitation that we choose the better path. That is the path of goodness and being in communion with God. Also, by becoming instrument of unity, instrument of communion, instrument of reconciliation to other people. Na hindi tayo ang dahilan ng division o ang dahilan ng isolation ng ibang tao. As we continue to celebrate this Mass, hingin natin yung grasya na yun, na magbigyan tayo ng courage to be God's instrument in this present time.